Welcome to the best picks. The best Xumo is probably one of the most versatile streaming platforms available today, offering a massive library of movies, TV shows, news, and sports channels, all without the need for a cable subscription. In this video, we will explore what makes Xumo stand out from the crowd and help you decide if it's the right streaming service for you. Number 5. Vizio XRT122 Replacement Remote. This is the perfect replacement remote for your Vizio Smart TV. It's easy to use and requires no programming, just install batteries and you're ready to go. It's designed for a seamless experience. Simply insert batteries and start controlling your TV immediately. No complicated pairing or setup is needed. Enjoy full access to all your TV's functions. It includes dedicated buttons for Xumo, Netflix, and iHeartRadio, plus all the standard controls you need. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Vizio LED smart TV models. Check the product description to see if yours is included. Your package includes one high-quality replacement remote control. Everything you need is right here, ready to use. It's built with durable materials for long-lasting performance. Enjoy a reliable and responsive remote control experience. What we like. It's a high-quality remote, requiring no setup. Just install batteries and enjoy full access to all buttons. If you value ease of use and a reliable product, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for those who want a simple, hassle-free experience. What people say. It works perfectly with my smart TV. It didn't come with instructions, but it didn't need any. It automatically worked. No programming needed. Just put the batteries in and bam, my TV volume can finally be lowered. Old remote died. Purchased this. Did not require any programming. Just automatically worked with TV. Number 4. XRT140 Vizio Smart TV Remote. This is the perfect replacement for your lost or broken Vizio Smart TV remote. It's easy to set up and use, just install new batteries and point it at your TV. It works with a wide range of Vizio TV models. Check the product description to see if your model is compatible. Enjoy quick access to your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, and Prime Video, all with dedicated buttons. Simply insert fresh alkaline batteries and point it towards the sensor on your TV. It's that simple. This infrared remote ensures reliable performance. Make sure there are no obstacles between it and your TV sensor. If your TV model isn't listed, contact us before ordering. We'll help you find the right remote. What we like. This remote features convenient shortcut buttons for popular apps. It's compatible with a wide range of Vizio TV models, ensuring broad usability. If you need a versatile remote with quick access to your favorite streaming services, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those with multiple Vizio TVs or those who frequently use streaming apps. What people say. This works as intended. It is a credible replacement for OEM. I have one at the monitor, for when I'm over there, and another one at wherever I'm at, so I can make any changes, without having to walk over to the monitor. It's a nice convenience to have, IMHO. Perfect remote, easily handle and works fine. Number 3. Vizio XRT140 Smart TV Remote. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? This is the solution. It's compatible with most Vizio Smart TVs, offering seamless control at your fingertips. It works with various Vizio TV series, including D-Series, M-Series, and more. No need to worry about model numbers, it's designed for universal compatibility. Access your favorite streaming apps directly with dedicated buttons. Control Netflix, Hulu, and more with ease. It's incredibly easy to set up. Just insert batteries, and you're ready to enjoy effortless control of your Vizio TV. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Vizio remote models, including XRT136, XRT135, and many more. Check the full list to see if yours is included. Your purchase includes one remote control. Batteries and a manual are not included, but setup is simple and intuitive. What we like. This universal remote works seamlessly with all Vizio Smart TVs. It requires no programming, simply insert batteries and start using it. If you own multiple Vizio TVs or want a single remote for all your devices, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a simple, universal solution for their Vizio TVs. What people say. I like that it comes already programmed and has the buttons for Netflix, Hulu Prime and Watch Free right on the controller. Easy to use right out of the box. Worked as advertised. The remote works with our TV, but the TV sometimes has a hard time registering each button press and makes navigation of TV menus harder to complete. Number 2. Vizio XRT122 Remote. This is the Vizio XRT122, your new best friend for navigating your favorite shows and apps. It's designed for seamless control of your Vizio Smart TV. Enjoy easy access to all your entertainment. It features dedicated buttons for Xumo, Netflix, and iHeartRadio, launching your favorite apps instantly. This remote is compatible with all Vizio LCD, LED, and HD TV models. It's the perfect addition to your home entertainment setup. Simplify your TV experience with this intuitive and user-friendly remote. Get more from your Vizio TV. Its simple design makes it easy to use for everyone in the family. Enjoy effortless control at your fingertips. What we like. This remote features a dedicated Xumo button for quick access, along with Netflix and iHeartRadio app buttons. It's compatible with all Vizio Smart TV models, offering broad compatibility. If you're a fan of Xumo and want easy access to your favorite streaming services, this remote is perfect for you. It's ideal for those who prioritize quick access to these specific apps. What people say. Put the batteries in and it worked perfect. I literally pulled it out of the package, put batteries in it and pointed it at the TV. Done, it was that simple. Works great. Number 1. XRT500 Vizio Smart TV Remote. This is the XRT500, the perfect replacement remote for your Vizio Smart TV. It's designed for easy use and seamless compatibility. It works with a wide range of Vizio TV models, ensuring a perfect fit for your home entertainment setup. No more searching for the right buttons. This isn't just a replacement, it's an upgrade. Enjoy convenient access to Netflix, iHeartRadio, and more, all at your fingertips. It features a backlit keyboard for easy viewing in low-light conditions. The intuitive layout makes navigation a breeze. Your purchase includes one XRT500 remote control, ready to enhance your viewing experience. Get yours today. Don't let a broken remote ruin your movie night. Replace your old remote with the XRT500 and enjoy effortless control. What we like. This remote includes dedicated buttons for Xumo, Netflix, and iHeartRadio, plus a convenient backlight and keyboard. It's designed for specific Vizio TV models. If you want a remote with extra features like a backlight and keyboard, and you own one of the compatible models, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who value convenience and extra features. What people say. Works great. Does exact what it is supposed to do. Works like a charm. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.